Shrinking spaces in the cities have led to the increase in the popularity of vertical gardens. Can be kept indoors and outdoors, these gardens not only purify the air in that area, but also add to the aesthetic value of the place.
Now I'll show you elements required to pot a plant that goes in a vertical garden. This is a earthen pot chips. Then this is a brick species that both of these they can go in the pot. It helps to drain out the excess water. Then this is a potting mix. Potting mix is made up of these three elements. This is a cocopeat. It improves the water retention and porosity of the soil. Then this is a soil. It contains so many nutrients. It helpful for plants to grow. Then this is a organic manure. It supplies nutrient to plants while growing and it releases slowly nutrients to the plants. Then this is a biowall pot. We can plant a plant in this container. Then these are the plants. This is a panel. Panel is used to hang a biowall pots. After planting in that, we will arrange in any fashion. Then selection of plant is also very important. You can make indoor gardens or outdoor garden. That depends on your requirement. Now we will pot a plant to make a vertical garden. First we will take a biowall pot. Then we will put few pieces of earthen chips. Then we will put some brick pieces. It will help to drain out the excess water. Then with the help of shovel we will put little bit of potting mix in that. Then we will take a plant. We will remove the pots of the plant. We will remove the excess soil. Then we will add potting mix to fit a plant inside. Then press it gently and remove any unwanted branches or dead leaves from the plant. Now this pot is ready to put on the panel. So one by one we will complete the whole procedure. Now we are talking about care and maintenance to be taken for vertical garden. First is watering. You should irrigate or water the plant alternate day for indoor or semi-shade plants and water daily for outdoor plant where full sunlight is coming. When you are watering, the excess water should be collected in a tray. So you have to place a tray underneath your vertical garden. Then while selecting a plant, you can select plant like semi-shade or indoor plant where direct sunlight is not there. And if you have got direct sunlight, then you can put outdoor flowering plants, but no fruit plants you cannot put. You should always remember that while you are using a panel, it should be painted with powder coating so that water is going to always contact with the panel, so it should not be rusted. So that's care you have to take.